I just want to welcome you to my studio, work in progress, and I want to show you all my supplies that I have collected to bring new life to it. I have pipe cleaner, old photographs, pom-pom, popsicle sticks, beads, and all my recyclables, paper, cardboard, plastic, and I also have some old artwork that I'm going to rip apart and create into something else. Check-in is going to be a movement. I feel like moving around a lot. My arms feel like they need to move. I need to stretch a little bit, so today's my movement day. Anyone want to join me? Join the movement. And I'm going to grab my tall apron, my favorite, Pink Panther. We're going to start creating. Make a happy character. Let's see what I got. I kind of like this tray here. I think maybe it needs some nice warm water in here. I have some pom-poms. I'm going to improvise a fun color. Create some little people. And they're going to be lounging by a beach. So I'm cutting up this cardboard. I just happen to have googly eyes. You need the body. Give him some color. Old magazine. I think this happy person needs to be at this really nice pool because it's really cold here. Wild arm. I think maybe these might be kind of fun. There we go. And he is ready for the pool. What does he need at the pool? Maybe he needs a background. Or this one. That looks kind of party-like. Oh, I have this really cool picture. I think this lady definitely needs to be at the beach because she looks like she's ready to rock and roll. Let's cut her out. Love her hair. She goes. Just hang out with that. All right, make a toy. How about something with this? It's kind of fun. Expressive art is a different way of looking at art. You don't have to have any end results. It doesn't have to look beautiful. You don't have to be an artist. It's a great thing because I do not consider myself a sculptor. And this gives me permission to do whatever I feel like doing today. I'm not sure what this is going to be, but it's some kind of toy for my two friends. There we go. Going to be my toy for the two people who are enjoying the beach or the swimming pool, having a good time. Kind of looks like a merry-go-round. And the old-fashioned ones, I think it needs something around here. I am making stuff out of recycled items. This old artwork that I have lying around. I'm going to stick her on the merry-go-round. I think this should be the sun. Just a fun way to play around with art. I have no idea what's going to happen. I just make a suggestion of what kind of materials to use and then we just create. Here's the sun. And I found these trees. There should be trees at the beach. This is my expressive art journey. I am doing this for the love of art. I'm going to use some pipe cleaners to make the frame. Kind of looks like a spider with 4 legs. I'm just thinking that this is a party place. They're having a birthday party or celebration at the beach. I think I need some flags. I got this really tin foil. And then another piece of artwork that I created. I'm going to use this as flags. Oh, the paint's all falling off of it. It's okay. Do you think I should add something else to the beach scene? There are my streamers. What should I add to this? A kite. How about a pipe cleaner for the string? And every kite needs a tail. There's the tail. So today I created a sculpture using whatever I had around my house. Got my son hanging out here, little guy here flying a kite, some lady hanging out on the merry-go-round. I have been cooped up for too long and I am ready to get out there and start creating again. This has been a real pleasure. Thank you everybody for joining me. I hope you really enjoyed this session with me. See you next week. Bye.